man candy.
You're bound.
Hello everyone, this is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Guys, your eyes. Let me cover the eyes. You're peeking.
Sama na good.
Open your eyes.
Whoa! Happy Valentine's Day! Wow! Wow! Oh, I got a flower. I can buy a flower. Oh, and then
The chocolate.
oh,
One more.
it's a mug. Oh, oh la la.
Oops. Daddy, you have a card.
Where's the card?
There.
Mom. Okay.
A video.
Thank God for my mom like you.
Read it. Read the story.
What your mother is trying to tell you, that's the reason we're not like other people, is because we're not really people always. Then I love you from Sahira. Hi mom, happy Valentine's Day. Love you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dada. And Sasa.
Bye bye. And 3, 2, 1. Action. Let's open the bag.
Oh.
It also has a spoon. Oy. It has a spoon.
Oh yeah, I know.
See the spoon, Daddy. Maggie, the Maggie. It's a plate.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, a little old part.
But I will not use it. I'll keep it up.
You're not gonna use it? Why?
Turn on.
Bye. See you on the next video. For my Valentine gift.
You're bound.
Come on. Look at na.
Happy I love you. I love you. The same Rose. Oh, is this a lamp? Baby girl. This is my mug. Chinese, Japanese. It's a color. It's for putting my room. It's the same. It's the same. May butang nga, may money. Let's see. No money.
No money.
Bye-bye, guys.
What do you say?
Thank you, Mama, Dada. It's 29.
29.
I don't want help. It's my teddy bear.
You got a lot of teddy bear na?
I got really nice teddy bear away. Right here. What the? That's on the...
Get it apart, Mom. Let's get dirt, baby. Yeah, nice.
Hello po. Come on.
What is it?
The cat bear. The doggy.
Is that a bear? Turn around so I can see him. Oh.
Why you're shouting?
One-eyed, one-eared, flying purple people eater.
It's a burrows. See my daddy. I call it Mama family.
Mama family.
And Dada family, baby family, and then guys, we have something for Daddy. Let's go. Let's go. Daddy, I have a surprise. I have a surprise. It's for you.
Oh, I can't read it, huh? I can't see.
Nakikita si Daddy guys. Kamay na dagdag sa area yung eyes. So, ang magnifying glass iyang gears. Gihatak mag-present. So, gihatak ko na mag-present. Red for you.
Very nice. I love you. Very nice, honey. Thank you.
Keep your chocolate. Happy kindness of Daddy's and presents.
Yeah. What we got here?
Flower.
A flower. I'm going to leave it in the box right now. Look at it. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome, and you also have Hershey's bar.
I know, I had them in my hand right there. Okay, I'm going to leave them in the bag right now, honey.
Yep.
I'm going to leave them here, put them back in the house. Ah.
Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hokokera. So enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye bye. See you.